Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to optimize your images in hosting your website builder to better show up higher on Google images or photos. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account and go to website. Now, next to your website, click on edit page edit website. And this is my website in Hostinger website builder. Let's say that I want to optimize those images, or let's go to this services page. And here I have multiple work service or work photos. This website is for an HVAC business. So let's say that I want to optimize those photos to show up on Google Images. So simply select a photo, click on edit image, and then click on here below alternative text. Here you should describe the image to help search engines understand your page content and the photo. So here, for example, I will go with outdoor HVAC unit, for example. Close this window, update your website. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about hosting your website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with hosting your website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add-in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger Builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and the integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo Email Marketing, Bluehost Web Hosting, Hostinger Web Hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger Email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Outdoor HVAC unit, for example. Close this window, update your website. Now, since my website is updated, let's view it live. Go to the service page, and this is the photo that I've optimized. Here, if you look close, when I put the mouse cursor on top of the image, a little text show up below my mouse cursor. It says outdoor HVAC unit. So this helps the Google services to understand my image and show it for people looking for outdoor HVAC unit on Google Photos. And that was all for this tutorial. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.